Hi. Traditionally, meditation and the other energetic observances of Hatha Yoga, such as Pranayama, Mudra, and Bandha, they're practiced sitting on the floor. And assuming Padmasana, Siddhasana, Siddhayoni Asana, Sukhasana, Swastikasana, Ardha Padmasana. And those require strength and flexibility. And will take time for us to sustain the rigors of those energetic practices, not to mention we're holding them for longer periods of time. So while you're building the strength, the flexibility needed, a good alternative is do your meditation or pranayama sitting on a chair with back support, such as this. Yeah. And then you're not leaning against the back of the chair, rather you're using an additional padding to support your low back. So you're still sitting upright away from the back of the chair. And then that additional cushion just provide support and a reminder not to slouch. All right, upright the spine, and then you may place your hands in the Dhyana Mudra, or you might do and perform the Shin Mudra. You can do your stillness here, you can perform your pranayama, or you can even do your mantra meditation while sitting on a chair.